Yes, welcome back to a new video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about, can day trading be your job? Because eventually this is the goal most people have. When it comes to trading, they want to build a career. They want to make this their full-time job. And in this video, I want to discuss if it's possible, what are the odds, and if there are better ways to approach this. So let's get started. So first of all, what is day trading? Now, most of you that are watching already know what day trading is. It basically is short-term trading, and you're flat at the end of the day, which means every position you take, you close out within the same day. And it can even be more extreme, like you only hold a position for a few minutes and then close it and open a new one, and again and again and again. And that's the essence of day trading. Now, you quickly realize that you have to be sitting behind a screen all day if you are day trading, usually, or sometimes day traders trade an entire session. So let's say they only trade the London session and then they're finished. But that's totally up to you. But the point is, you first have to think about why did you get into trading. Is it because you want to be sitting behind the screen and trade and trade and trade? Or is it because you want to be maybe your own boss and have a bit more flexibility in your life and schedule? I know I really like the flexibility I have. I work from home. I have my home office. I trade from home. I can wake up whenever I want because I'm swing trading. Now, I still have a schedule because I do more things than swing trading. But if I really want to, I can wake up every single day whenever I want. Every single day, I can go to the gym whenever I want. I can go to friends whenever I want. Doesn't mean I am doing that every day and just fuck around. But the ability, the possibility is there. And that's one of the reasons why I got into trading, to have more flexibility. I don't have to be at an office for the entire day and sit on a chair and talk to people I don't like. I can basically build my own day, and that gives you such a sense of freedom. So that's why I like swing trading. It also fits better with our personality. So before you get into day trading, really ask yourself the question, like, is it what I want? Do I really want to sit behind the screen maybe all day, maybe for 3-4 hours straight? Is that what you like? And if so, is day trading the right approach? So if we go to this slide, I want to basically talk about swing trading and day trading. Now, if we take a look at day trading has a way higher frequency of trades. So let's say if you're swing trading like I do, currently taking around 10 trades a month. I am working on increasing the frequency by adding more instruments in trading, but that's my frequency. But if you're day trading, you might maybe take like 10 trades a day, maybe 20, 40, 50. So your frequency is way high. Now, what does that mean? It means that your edge is able to play out quicker. So let's say you win 60% of the time with a 1 hour target. That's a slight edge. But let's say you only take 10 trades a month. Now, a 60% win rate doesn't mean you win 6 out of 10 trades. It means you win 600 out of 1,000, around that number, or 6,000 out of 10,000 trades. That's more accurate. But not 6 out of 10. You can easily win 3 out of 10 and be down for a month if you are swing trading. And that's something to keep in mind. And if you're day trading, you have like 400 or 500 trades a month, then the edge or the 60% win rate you have is way more likely to play out because you're trading more and more. So that's a benefit, I guess. It's easier to be green every single month or every single week if you are day trading. The downside of this is that your costs are way higher when you're trading. And that's the main reason why day trading has a lower success rate than swing trading or position trading or even investing. There have been a lot of studies around day trading, because these gurus on the internet claim they make a lot of money day trading. Most of it is bullshit. They don't make a lot of money day trading. They make a lot of money selling you day trading. The reality is that the chances of you making money day trading are very, very, very slim. I'd say, I believe I heard it in an interview, the success rate amongst day traders was around 5%. And 2 or 3% of those actually make a lot of money, and the other half doesn't make. Yeah, they make decent money, but not something you want to write in the newspaper about. So you have to realize, like, the 100 people that try to day trade profitably, only 3 make good money. And this also includes people with way more information than you, people with way more capital than you. So all in all, if you count everything together, the odds are very slim if you are going to make a profitable career in day trading. And usually has to do with the higher cost involved in day trading. Now, why is that? Every time you take a trade, you pay something. That's with swing trading, that's with investing, and that's with day trading. So the more positions you take, the more often you trade, the more you pay. Now, it does allow you to let your edge play out and maybe make more profits, but the cost you have, that's a fixed cost. So let's say I'm a swing trader, I target 100 pips, and I have to pay a 2 pip spread. Well, that's 2%. But let's say you are a day trader and you target a 10 pip target and you have to pay a 2 pip spread. Then your cost is 20% only in spread. Maybe you have to pay commissions. You have to cope with slippage. So all in all, you pay very, very much to open a trade. Now, it's not always the case. Some people have tighter spreads, but you get the point. Day trading is more expensive in terms of costs. And that's why brokers like day traders, because every time you click that mouse, they make some money. And also because the success rate is low, they just take the other side of your position and they make even more money. So that's something to realize about day trading. Now, swing trading, on the other hand, swing trading is a more relaxed way of trading, in my opinion, because you don't have to be glued to a screen all the time. Price is going slower on the higher time frame, so there's less action, less room for emotion, less room to make mistakes. And the odds of success are also a bit higher than in day trading. In general, the odds of success in any trading are low, but compared to day trading, swing trading is easier to make your job. And the next thing is, swing trading suits more people. And why? Because most people that get into trading still have a job that's the same like I had back in the day. I still had a job where I had to go to. Now, at that time, I was more of a short-term trader. So I had to go to the toilet to check the charts and see if anything happened. Now, you don't want to be doing that for years, because that's just fucked up, and your boss won't like that. So if you're swing trading, you don't have to be behind your screens. You simply set some alerts and you just trade whenever the alert goes off. You do your analysis at home at a chart and execute from your phone or whatever, maybe just from your computer like I do. So swing trading is more relaxed and suits more people, but the downside is that it's that your frequency is usually a bit lower, which means it may take longer for your edge to play out, and you might not have as many green months as a potentially good day trader. So now a question to all my listeners, to all my viewers on YouTube. What do you want? Do you really want to be a day trader? It's a very hard path to take. It takes a lot of time to master. You have to be willing to sit behind screens for hours and hours every single day. it's usually way more stressful than swing trading. And yeah, the success rate is just way lower than in swing trading. But if you're swing trading, the odds are a bit more in favor. So really think about that. And I also speak to a lot of people that say they want to get into trading, but actually they just want to make money in the markets. And then I usually tell them to start with investing in index funds or ETFs or whatever. But most people aren't even suitable to be a trader. So think about it. Are you willing to, or do you want to make money online? Is that what you want? Then the chance of you making money in day trading are very low. You're better off investing or even swing trading. So think about that after this video. Also, if you like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe. More is coming soon. I'm also working with BlueFX on a system development series. It's a free series, essentially a free course on YouTube. So if you want to watch those videos, go to their channel, which is BlueFX, and there you will find the system development series. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I would love to answer them, and I speak to you guys in the next session.